This channel got over 23 million views last month, with just 42 uploads, and it generated over $9,000 in revenue last month. Now take a look at this one. This channel is barely 1 month old, only 5 uploads, yet it has already crossed 600,000 views. And these aren't the only ones. More and more channels are jumping into this niche right now, and many of them are going viral almost overnight. Because these videos tap into a psychological goldmine. They combine slow English learning with Pixar-style animated stories. It's entertainment and education wrapped into one highly engaging format. That's why viewers stay glued to the screen until the very end, and why YouTube keeps recommending them. But here's where it gets really interesting. Most people who watch these videos immediately assume they were created by a professional animation studio. They think it requires a huge team, expensive software, and months of learning. But today, I'm going to show you how to create the same style of videos using 100% free AI tools. I'll even give you my personal prompt pack, so you can follow the exact workflow yourself. Now, let's take a closer look at the channel we're going to recreate. At first glance, it looks like a professionally produced Pixar-style animation.
Oh no! It's 7:30! We're late! David, wake up!
Complete with slow English narration and family-friendly storytelling. Looks expensive, right? Now here's the mistake almost every creator makes. They generate every single scene one at a time. The result? Characters keep changing faces, backgrounds become inconsistent, and hours are wasted trying to fix everything during editing. But the fastest growing channels aren't doing that. They're all doing one thing differently, and almost nobody notices it. It's called the Storyboard Method. Instead of generating scenes individually, they generate multiple connected scenes inside a single storyboard image. Then they use AI to transform that storyboard into a smooth animated sequence. This simple workflow does 3 things immediately. It keeps your characters consistent, improves the overall animation quality, and cuts your production time in half. But before we can even build our first storyboard, there's one more important piece we need. We first need a system that can analyze successful channels in this niche, understand their content DNA, and generate similar video ideas, scripts, and visual workflows. And here's the interesting part. This isn't the step most people start with, but it's the step that makes everything else work. So, let's begin with step 1. I've already created a master prompt that can clone the content strategy of almost any YouTube channel. Let's copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The prompt will ask for 4 things: a brief description of the channel's niche, a few example channel links, around 10 to 15 video titles from those channels. For the niche, you can either write it yourself or simply ask ChatGPT to describe the channel for you. In this example, our reference channel focuses on teaching English through interactive Pixar-style 3D animated stories. Next, let's paste a few example channel links. I've already collected them, so I'll simply add them to the chat. Now let's paste the video titles I've extracted from those channels. Finally, take a screenshot of the Emma Daily English channel homepage and upload it as well. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will analyze the entire channel and produce a detailed channel DNA report. It explains what makes the channel successful, how its content is structured, who the target audience is, and the storytelling techniques it uses. But my favorite part is that it also generates 40 highly engaging video ideas that perfectly match the style of the original channel. Now, let's move on to the next step. This time, ChatGPT needs 2 to 5 transcript files from the reference channel, along with the title you want to create a script for. I've already collected several transcripts from the Emma Daily English channel, so I'll upload those now. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the topic, Our First Day at the Zoo. Click Generate again, and ChatGPT will analyze the transcripts to understand the channel's writing style, pacing, vocabulary, dialogue, and overall storytelling structure. Now it's ready to write a completely original script in the same style. I'll ask it to generate a 2,000-word script. Because of the length, ChatGPT creates the script in multiple parts. Here's the first section. Once it's finished, simply ask for the next part and continue until the complete script is generated. With that, our story is finished. Now comes the most important part of the entire workflow, the visuals. Instead of generating every scene individually, we're going to use the storyboard method. This allows us to animate multiple shots from a single storyboard, keeping the characters, backgrounds, lighting, and overall visual style consistent throughout the entire sequence. To keep every scene visually consistent, we first need to generate a character sheet for each character in the script. Head back to the prompt file and copy the character sheet generator prompt. Open a new ChatGPT chat, paste the prompt, and click Generate. The prompt will ask for two things: a summary of your story, the visual style. To get the story summary, copy the complete script we generated earlier and open another ChatGPT chat. Simply ask, summarize the story and identify all the main characters, including their names, ages, relationships, and important traits. Paste your script and hit enter. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will generate a complete story summary, along with all the character details you'll need. Now copy that summary and return to the character sheet generator prompt. Paste the story summary into the first section. Next, go back to the prompt file and copy the visual style prompt. Paste it below the story summary and click Generate. ChatGPT will now analyze the story and identify every character required for the animation. As you can see, it has detected 4 main characters: Emma, David, Anna, and Peter. Now, let's generate the character sheets. Simply ask ChatGPT to create the character sheet prompt for the first character. Within a few seconds, it will generate a detailed character sheet prompt that includes the character's appearance, clothing, facial features, proportions, and every detail needed to keep the design consistent. Repeat the same process for the remaining characters until all of the character sheet prompts are ready. Now it's time to generate the actual character sheet images. Copy the first character prompt, open a new ChatGPT chat, paste the entire prompt, and click Generate. Within a few moments, you'll have a professional multi-angle character sheet, just like the one you see on the screen. Now repeat the same process for the remaining character prompts until every character has its own reference sheet. Once all of your character sheets are complete, download them and keep them organized in a separate folder. We'll use these character sheets in the next step when we generate our storyboard, ensuring every character stays perfectly consistent throughout the entire animation. It's time to generate our storyboard. Head back to the prompt file and copy the storyboard generator prompt. Open a new ChatGPT chat and paste the entire prompt. Next, upload all the character sheet images we created in the previous step. Now return to your script. Since we're creating a slow-paced English learning animation, we'll work with only 3 dialogues at a time. You can also use 4 dialogues if the scene requires it, but I recommend sticking to 3 for better pacing. And paste them into the prompt. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will first analyze the dialogue, identify the characters involved, and determine the most suitable location for the scene. For example, because our story begins with a wake-up scene, ChatGPT has selected a bedroom as the setting. Before moving forward, it asks for confirmation so it can maintain the same environment and visual style in future storyboard panels. If you'd like to change the location, simply tell ChatGPT where you want the scene to take place while keeping the same visual style. Once you're happy with the setup, type Confirm. ChatGPT will now generate a detailed storyboard prompt. Copy this storyboard prompt and open a new ChatGPT chat. Paste the prompt along with the character sheet images. You only need to upload the character references once. Click Generate. Within a few moments, you'll have a professionally designed storyboard complete with character acting, scene composition, facial expressions, camera angles, and dialogue. Now repeat the exact same process for the next 3 dialogue lines. Generate another storyboard prompt, paste it into a new chat with the same character references, and create the next storyboard image. Continue this workflow until your entire story is covered. For this demonstration, I'll generate only 4 storyboard images. Once they're ready, download all of them because we're now going to animate each storyboard. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Select Video, Choose OmniFlash as the video model and set the video length to 10 seconds. Upload your first storyboard image. Now go back to the prompt file and copy the general animation prompt. Paste it into Google Flow and click Generate. Within a few moments, your storyboard will be transformed into a fully animated scene.
Good morning, everyone. Wake up.
5 more minutes.
No 5 more minutes today.
Just look at the result. The character acting, camera movement, and scene transitions feel incredibly natural. Now repeat the same process for the remaining storyboard images. Upload the next storyboard, paste the same animation prompt, and click Generate again. Continue until every storyboard has been converted into a video clip. As you can see on the screen, the results are remarkably consistent.
Is it school?
Better than school.
Better than school?
The characters stay on model, the environments match perfectly, and every shot feels like it's part of the same animated film.
Yes. Today we are going to the
Zoo! The zoo? Really?
Yes, our first family trip to the city zoo.
You may notice a few extra character movements or actions. That's completely normal, and we'll clean those up during the editing stage. Once all your clips are ready, import them into CapCut. Arrange the clips according to your script and voiceover. I also recommend slowing the clips down slightly to match the pace of an English learning animation. Just don't overdo it, as excessive slow motion can introduce unwanted artifacts. Trim any unnecessary sections, add simple transitions where needed, and include background music or sound effects if you'd like. Finally, export your project.
Good morning, everyone. Wake up.
5 more minutes.
No 5 more minutes today.
Is it school?
Better than school.
Better than school?
Yes. Today we are going to the
Zoo! The zoo? Really?
Yes, our first family trip to the city zoo.
Yay! I want to see lions! I want to see pandas.
And I want coffee.
Coffee first, animals second.
And just like that, your complete AI-generated animated story is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more AI workflows and animation tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.